Communicating securely with your smartphone. In order to send or receive any calls or communications to your phone, the signal towers nearest you are alerted by your phone of its presence. As a result of those alerts and communications, the network service provider knows the precise geographic location of your mobile phone at any given time. About anonymity. If you are conducting sensitive phone conversations or sending sensitive SMS messages, beware of the above tracking feature of all mobile phones. Consider adopting the steps below. Make calls from different locations each time and choose locations that are not associated with you. Keep your phone turned off with the battery disconnected. Go to the chosen location, switch your phone on, communicate, switch the phone off, and disconnect the battery. Doing this habitually each time you must make a call will mean that the network cannot track your movements. Change phones and SIM cards often. Rotate them between friends or the second-hand market. Use unregistered prepaid SIM cards if this is possible in your area. Avoid paying for a phone or SIM cards using a credit card, which will also create a connection between these items and you. About eavesdropping. Your phone can be set to record and transmit any sounds within the range of its microphone without your knowledge. Some phones can be switched on remotely and brought into action this way, even when they look as though they are switched off. Never let people whom you don't trust get physical access to your phone. This is a common way of installing spying software on your phone. If you are conducting private and important meetings, switch your phone off and disconnect the battery. Or don't carry the phone with you if you can leave it where it will be absolutely safe. Make sure that any person with whom you communicate also employs the safeguards described here. In addition, don't forget that using a phone in public or in places that you don't trust makes you vulnerable to traditional eavesdropping techniques or to having your phone stolen. About interception of calls. Typically, encryption of voice communications and of text messages that travel through the mobile phone network is relatively weak. There are inexpensive techniques which third parties can use to intercept your written communications or to listen to your calls, if they are in proximity to the phone and can receive transmissions from it. And of course, mobile phone providers have access to all your voice and text communications. It is currently expensive and or somewhat technically cumbersome to encrypt phone calls, so that even the mobile phone provider can't eavesdrop. However, these tools are expected to become cheaper soon. To deploy the encryption, you would first have to install an encryption application on your phone, as well as on the device of the person with whom you plan to communicate. Then you would use this application to send and receive encrypted calls and/or messages. Encryption software is currently only supported on a few models of so-called smartphones. Conversations between Skype and mobile phones are not encrypted either, since at some point the signal will move to the mobile network where encryption is not in place. Using the Internet through your smartphone over mobile data connections or Wi-Fi can provide more secure ways to communicate with people, namely by using voice over IP or employing means to secure this channel of communication. Some smartphone tools can even extend some of this security beyond VoIP to mobile phone calls as well.